Hey everyone, today we got a part for the lawnmower. I don't know if y'all remember it, we got it about a year ago. And finally got some parts for it. First part came in with some boxes. It's the carburetor. Got the gaskets.
Hopefully the right one.
Hopefully the right one.
It says over here it's not.
Oh,
I think it's got some, yeah.
so
It's got
small.
the filter.
Alright, let's look at it.
I don't know if that'll stay there.
Alright. It does have the right end here. Take this thing back off.
Careful, remember the ants.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're gone today.
I guess they're gone
For
now.
now, anyway. Huh, they'll be back.
Yeah, they'll be back. Opened this up the other day to see how to take it apart. There's the ant nest in there, or whatever you want to call it, ant hive.
Ant hill.
Yeah, well,
But
basically,
it wasn't really
it wasn't
big.
really an ant hill because there was no hill, but
It was inside the
it was inside the engine.
We gotta get the belt.
Yeah, we'll be getting the belts now. There's only one belt. We just gotta figure out which one's the original. Maybe. I'm glad I left all this crap loose. Two days later, we finally got to this part.
Looks like the right one.
I think it's the right one,
Looks
guys.
like the right one.
Sweet.
We're probably sitting in the end.
Probably. And which way does it go? It goes like...
This way, the way you're holding it.
the way I'm holding it.
Yeah.
There we go. Awesome. Let's get this bad boy put on. This spring. Don't know what that was.
Something.
I gotta take this linkage off. I'm sure.
Well, we really can't see much because your hand.
Oh. Fuel line off.
I think you squeeze those two things together. You might need pliers.
I got it. There we go. And then I need two
So I
big
need to
bolts.
come over there. I don't know what that was.
That's exhaust bolts.
I think it was this. Maybe not. Yeah, I think it was this. I think this.
Well, these two things. Is that really around to the exhaust? It must be.
Probably. You want me to pause it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
It's like right here. And you loosen this bolt up, it releases the spring. I'm going to keep this for the other one because they don't come with it. Go ahead and stick it in its hole. There we go.
You may come around over there.
Whatever y'all want it. There's the fucking part number.
Oh. Well, that would have been nice to know. Watch it be the wrong one.
Hopefully it's
Or no,
right.
gauge.
I need like a 10 mil, I think.
We'll have to go in and... I don't know if the Jeep's locked. I have the windows rolled down.
Bolt.
They didn't hear you.
It's an 11 millimeter bolt. Took me a minute to figure out what it was. Not much room on this thing.
you have an end wrench, it might be better.
Might be, but I just... There we go. Long bolt for what it is. I'll go ahead and stick it right here so I don't move it. There's another bolt right here.
Oh, down there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, they can. Well, now we can't see it.
Alright. That shit's off. And there's no gasket.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Well, somebody's had it off before, probably.
and that's probably why it's spewing gas. Oh well, we're gonna put a gasket on it. There you go. And now, I really don't know why it came with two.
Maybe just extra, maybe.
I don't know. I'm hoping as a precautionary. Because you shouldn't double gasket something, I don't think. Hey everyone, got the lawnmower all put together. Just gotta install the filter that came with the kit. This cable right here was literally the only part of the pain, was putting the string on. And if you have a 9/17 end wrench or a wrench, it's easier to get these carburetor bolts off. But it really wasn't bad, especially for my first time putting on a carburetor for a lawnmower. It wasn't bad at all. Anyway, we're gonna go get some hose clamps. So I'm putting a new filter on this line, and we're gonna see if this thing starts. Might charge the battery a little bit. It's been a year, it's probably dead, but other than that, we're gonna see if this thing starts. Alright everyone, went to go turn on the valve and it broke on me. The old one. Went and picked one up from AutoZone for $6. So I'm gonna install that. Got this clamped off so I don't lose any fuel. Just filled up the tank so it's full. Don't want to lose any of that. I'll go ahead and take this off and put new ones on. Everyone, I forgot to film this part, but I got the fuel filter right here. That way it's filtered before the line. And yeah. Hey everyone, we figured out what was wrong. It wasn't the battery. The battery is at 40%. What happened was it had so much moisture in there from getting into the engine from this port here that basically hydro-locked and had a whole bunch of brown liquid coming out of the exhaust there. And I ended up taking out the spark plugs and picking this lawnmower up, putting it on its side, holding it, and letting it drain out, and then after that, it ended up rotating freely after that. But I had to remake this video because I can't find the one that shows that we were doing that process. But I thought I'd let you know what the problem was on that part.
That was cool. Do it again. Cool.